Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get real-time data on voter turnout. So just visit on this official website. The historical trends in voter turnout in the United States presidential elections have been shaped by, you can see this chart, and the gradual expansion of voting right from the industrial restriction. The white male property owner age 21 or older than the early years of the country. Independence to all citizen age 18 or older in the mid 20th century. US presidential election popular vote total as the percentage of the total US population. The black line is the total turnout while colored lines reflect votes for major parties. The chart represents the number of votes cast and percentage. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.